foundations to the up to the complex algorithms. I'd like to mention the trainer here, like he was Mr. Sundaram. He provided a lot of guidance and support. And
teachers are very good, helpful.
The teachers are really great at that.
We have excellent teachers who taught us, like Sundaram sir, who taught us statistics.
All of them, like even I can reach out to them personally. There are one-to-one doubt sessions and stuff. So yeah, all the teachers were pretty good.
Teachers who helped us in every course model.
Behind every successful career switcher is a mentor who believed in them. At Learnbay, every course is powered by industry mentors, modern-day teachers preparing professionals for tomorrow's challenges. Explore our programs in GenAI, data science, full stack, cloud and DevOps, and analytics.